Hi. So coming to this set from CAT 2021 slot 2, this was probably the toughest set of this slot, the afternoon slot. So here what we are given is there are 10 objects O1, O2, O3 till O10, and these 10 objects were distributed among Amar, Bharat, Chaz, Disha and Elise, these 5 people. Each item went to exactly one person and each person got exactly 2 items. So 10 objects, 5 people, 2 items each. Okay. And this pair of objects is called his or her bundle. Fine. The following table shows how each person values each object. Right. So Amar values first object or Amar gives 4 points to first object, or Amar values first object which is equivalent to 4 points, 9 points for second object, 9 points for third object and so on. The value of any bundle by a person is sum of that person's values of the object in that bundle. A person X envies another person Y if X values Y's bundle more than X's own bundle. So, for example, if Amar gets first and the second object, Bharat gets third and the fourth object. Okay. So, Amar's value is 13 for his bundle, and Bharat's value is 12, 7 plus 5 is 12 for his bundle. Now, if Amar looks at Bharat's bundle which is 3 and 4, so for Amar, Bharat's bundle is equal to 12 points, but Amar already has a bundle which is worth 13 points, so Amar does not envy Bharat's bundle. Amar does not envy Bharat's bundle. But what about Bharat? Let's see. For Bharat, Amar's bundle is equivalent to 5 plus 9 which is 14 points, but he has a bundle which is of only 12 points. That means Bharat does envy Amar. Bharat will envy Amar because Bharat's current bundle has lesser value for him than Amar's bundle. Okay, so this is how we are going to see who envies whom. Okay. Now, the following facts are known about the actual distribution of the objects. Okay. If someone's value for an object is 10, then she or he received that particular object. Okay. So, Bharat values one of the objects as 10. That means Bharat will definitely receive this object 9. Similarly, Elise will also definitely receive this object 10. Okay. That means no one else will receive object 9 and object 10. Object 9 and 10 are already received by others, or received by Bharat and Elise respectively. Okay. Next is objects 1, 2 and 3 were given to 3 different people. Cool. Object 1 and 8 were also given to different people. Cool. 3 people value their own bundles at 16. Okay. Out of 5, 3 of them value their own bundles at 16. No one values his or her bundle at a number higher than 16. So the maximum value anyone gives to their bundle is 16. Okay. Disha values her own bundle at an odd number. Okay. So the value of Disha's bundle is an odd number. All others value their own bundles at an even number. Okay. So for Disha, the value of her bundle is odd. For everyone else, the value of their bundle is even. Okay. Fine. Now, if you look at the fourth point, there are 3 people who value their bundle at 16. Now, who can be these 3 people who value their bundle at 16? If you look at Bharat, now Bharat's value has to be an even number, right? If Bharat's value has to be an even number, one of the object's value he gives is 10, so the other value should also be an even number. The other even value is either 8 or 6, nothing else. So either his value is 10 plus 8, 18 or 10 plus 6, 16. But we know the maximum value anyone gives to their bundle is 16. Hence, Bharat, the second object that Bharat has is O7. So no one else gets object 7 here. Okay. Similarly, if we look at Elise, for Elise, one of the objects, the object 10, she values at 10 points. The other object should also be an even number so that the total value of her bundle is 10, even number. So the other even numbers are 6, 8, 6 here. So 10 plus 8 is obviously not possible because that will give you the maximum value 18, which is not possible. So Elise may have either 6 or rather Elise might have object 5 or object 1. We can't be sure as of now. Okay. So let's just leave this here. Next is last point. Some people who value their own bundles less than 16 envy other people who value their own bundles at 16. No one else envies other. Okay. So basically there are 16 people whose bundle is 16. They do not envy each other. But there are few more people whose value is less than 16 and these guys envy others. These guys envy those people whose bundle is valued at 16. Okay. So let's look at one by one. Amar. Let's look at Amar. Will Amar envy? So far we know exactly about Bharat. So will Amar envy Bharat? Would that be the case? Let's see. For Amar, Bharat's bundle is equivalent to 8 plus 9, which is 17 points. And we know Amar's own bundle will be either 16 or less than 16, right? Maximum rating or maximum valuation anyone can have for their own bundle is 16. But Amar will value Bharat's bundle at 8 plus 9, which is 17. Hence, that means Amar is envying Bharat. That means Amar will not have a bundle value of 16. Amar will have a bundle value of less than 16. Okay. Disha already has an odd valuation, so Disha also cannot be 16. That means the value 16 will be for Bharat, Charles and Elise. Bharat, Charles and Elise, they will have their bundle value which is 16. So Bharat, Charles and Elise, the other two people are Amar and Disha. Their bundle value will be less than 16. Okay. Now that we have figured out that Charles values his bundle at 16, that means the sum of the two objects that he receives should be 16. Now how is the sum 16 possible for him? Of the values given here, the only possible way for him to have two objects valued at 16 together is 8 plus 8. Okay. Now we know O1, O2, O3 are not going to be with the same person. O1, O2, O3 are with different people from point 2. That means Charles will have to have object 8 with him and one of these two objects. Charles will have one of these three objects rather. Charles will have one of these three objects. Out of O1, O2, O3, he will have one of these and object 8 will be with him. Now it's also given that O1 and O8 cannot be with the same person. That means Charles will have one of O2 and O3 only and not even O1. Okay. Now we also know that those who have bundle value 16, they don't envy each other, right? So let's look at Bharat and Charles. Bharat should not envy Charles, right? So if Bharat has O3 and O8, then or rather if Charles has O3 and O8, then Bharat will value O3 and O8 at 8 plus 7, which is 15 points. But he already has a 16 point bundle, so he will not envy Charles if Charles has O3. But if Charles has O2, in that case the value for Bharat, Charles bundle's value for Bharat will be 9 plus 8, which is 17. That means Bharat will envy Charles if Charles has O2, right? But Bharat should not envy Charles. This is what we know from the last point, point number 6. All those who value their bundle at 16 do not envy each other. Only those people envy others whose values bundle is less than 16. Okay. And these people also envy only those who value their bundle at 16. They don't envy each other as well. Okay. So here we can conclude that Charles cannot have O2. If Charles cannot have O2, that means Charles will have O3. So Charles has O3, that means no one else can have O3. This is gone, and no one else can. So basically so far we have figured out O3 is given, O7, O8, O9 and O10 are given. These 5 objects are given to certain people. Okay. Also, since Bharat already has 2 bundles, so Bharat will not be interested in any other objects, so these cannot be here. Similarly, Charles also has 2 objects, so these cannot be here. Right. Now, if we look at Disha, for Disha, the total of the 2 objects should be odd. This is only possible when one of the objects has even value for her and the other has odd value. That means Disha will have one of O1, O2 and one of O4, O5, O6. Disha will have one of O1, O2 and one of O4, O5 and O6 over here. Right. Again, Amar has to have an even number. Right, total bundle value should be an even number. This is possible when either both the objects are even valued or both the objects are valued odd by him. Okay. Now, of the numbers remaining, there are 3 odd numbers or odd values for Amar and only, or rather 4 odd values, 9, 3, 7, 3 and only 1 even value. So, even plus even is not possible. That means O1 is not with Amar. O1 is not with Amar. So, Amar will have 2 of O2, O4, O5 and O6. Okay. Right. Now, if you look at Disha's score will be either 8 plus 5 or 8 plus 3. So, 8 plus 3 is 11 and 8 plus 5 is 13. Disha's score will be either 11 or 13. Okay. Okay. Now, if you look at Amar, Amar's score will be either 9 plus 3, 12 or 9 plus 7, 16 is not possible because Amar's score has to be less than 16, or 3 plus 3, 6 or 3 plus 7, 10. Amar's score is either 6, 10 or 12. Now let's compare Amar and Disha. They should not envy each other. Amar and Disha should not envy each other. Okay. Now if let's say Disha has O2 and O6. If Disha has O2 and O6, so Amar will value O2 and O6 at 12. Okay, Amar will value O2 and O6 at 12. But if Disha has O2, Amar's value will be either 6 or 10. In that case, Amar will envy Disha. Amar will definitely envy Disha. But that should not be the case here, right? That means Disha cannot have O2. Disha cannot have O2. That means Disha has to has O1. Disha has to has O1 over here. Okay. If Disha has O1, Elise cannot have O1. That means Elise definitely has O5. Okay. Now if Elise has O5, that means Amar cannot have O5 over here. Okay. Now if you look at the table, for O2, the only person who can have O2 is Amar. So Amar has O2 over here. So Amar's score will be either O2 plus O4 which is 12 or O2 plus O6 which is also 12. Amar's score will definitely be 12 over here. Okay. So either Amar will have O2 and O4. Okay. Since O3 is O5 is already with Disha, so this cannot be with Disha. So one possibility is that Amar has O4 and Disha has O6. Now if this is the case, Disha's value is 8 plus 3, 11. But if we look at Disha's value of Amar's bundle, that is 8 plus 5, 13, which is more than her own bundle of 8 plus 3, 11. Hence, Disha is going to envy Amar. So, this should not be the case. Disha should not envy Amar. That means Amar will have O6 and Disha should have O4 here. Okay. So, now if you see, Amar's value is 9 plus 3, 12. Disha's value is 13. And if you look at Disha's value of Amar's bundle, which is 8 plus 3, 11. But Disha's, her own value is 8 plus 3, 8 plus 5, 13. Her own value is more than Amar's bundle for her. That means Disha is not going to envy Amar. Amar is also not going to envy Disha. because Disha's bundles value for him is 4 plus 3, which is 7, which is less than his own bundles value of 12. So we have figured out which object is received by which person. Okay, now let's look at the questions. First question here is, what best can be said about object 8? So object 8 is received by Charles here. Sorry, object 8 is received by Charles, hence option B is the correct answer here. Okay, next, who among the following envies someone else? We had already figured this out initially, that Amar is going to envy Bharat definitely, because Bharat's bundles value for Amar is 8 plus 9 17, which is obviously more than his own bundles value of 12. So Amar is going to envy Bharat. Amar envies someone. What is Amar's values bundle for him? Amar's bundles value for him is 12. So this is 12 over here. Object O4 was given to whom? O4 was given to Disha. So this is option D, Disha. O5 was given to, now O5 is given to Elise. So this is option B, Elise. What best can be said about the distribution of object O1? O1 is given to Disha actually. So this is option C again. O1 is given to Disha here. Okay. So that's it for this question or this set. Thank you.